Hey peeps, so I am here live and direct, with a Halloween look, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tell y'all because y'all probably aren't gonna really guess what I am. So I am a rainbow, hence all the colors, and let me show y'all a little inspiration right here. Yeah, so if you want to see more of my look that inspired the rainbow theme, make sure you follow me on Instagram, AmberCharmayne, on all platforms. So make sure you go ahead and do that and double tap on my pictures on IG, and also make sure you thumbs up and subscribe to my channel in this video. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into the tutorial so you guys can see how I got this look. So I will see you guys later.
Hey peeps, so I am here with this tutorial, and as you can see I am using yellow, which I think yellow is not, you know, a go-to everyday color, so it's really kind of out of the normal, and I wanted to really work with this yellow that I got by INGLOT, and it's their Freedom System AMC eyeshadow square number 60. So that is what I was using, and what you'll see next is me using the orange color, which came from a Morphe palette. It's the Morphe 350 palette, and it's the orange right in the right corner, top corner. And the only reason why I used the orange is because with the yellow, I felt like the color was kind of changing towards the brow bone area. As it went farther out towards the brow bone, it kind of was leaving this orangey kind of tone, and I didn't like that, so I was like, well, let me just go ahead and put orange eyeshadow since it's already orange. But I really wasn't intending to do a like reverse color type of method, but that's just what I had to do. And then I went back in right here to intensify that yellow again so we didn't lose it in the orange. And then I lost the clip of me putting in this like indigo type of color from the Morphe 35P palette, but as you can see, I went ahead and cut my crease with the LA Girl concealer, and I'm putting that same indigo color to kind of make a halo eye, and that indigo color is going to be on the second row from the bottom, and it's in the last column. It's the second color in the last column. And then I am using that same orange from the other Morphe palette to go ahead and put in the middle of the halo eye. And to be honest with you guys, I really didn't like the eyeshadow that much. But honestly, I wasn't about to wipe it all off and start over again. I just really wasn't even trying to do all that, and I just really wanted to make sure I was on time for Halloween. So I was like, whatever happens, happens. As you can see right here, this is me looking at it and seeing if I could deal with it or not, and I just wasn't trying to, like, you know, get in a funk and like wipe off all my makeup. So I was like, okay boo, let's go with it or whatever. So just showing you guys exactly what everything looks like all together. And then I'm going to start on the face. LA Girl concealer, corrector in orange, which is what you want to use if you have darker skin tone. And then I'm going ahead and putting on the, what's it called, foundation, which I'm using the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Makeup Oil Free in the color Neutral Cappuccino in 8. And this is the full application of it. And then using LA Girl concealer, you can use any shade that's 1 or 2 shades lighter. This is probably about 3-4 shades lighter, just because I wanted to be super extra. And I also cut my eyeshadow with the concealer applicator. That's how I got the sharp edges on my eyeshadow. And y'all, I lost a lot of footage, so it's kind of just going to skip to my face being done, unfortunately. All other info for the look will be in the description.
Okay peeps, so that was the video. So I hope you liked it. Make sure you like the video, then you subscribe to my channel, and anything that you would need to know about the look will be in the description. Also, if you have any comments, any questions, you can put it down in the comment section. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Once again, follow me on Instagram and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Boo. So I will see you guys later, and thank you for watching.